Anything else to say, Wayne?
That's what I have to say.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Yeah, I'll be really glad when this thing's all fresh rebuild. New cam, a little bit hotter cam, and all the good stuff. And I can drive it every day. Yay. Yay me.
Wayne's happy with the for the people watching on camera because you couldn't see it that well. He had a very evil grin.
Well, we got our excellent camera woman hanging out with us here. Oh, I can't go up anymore, Phil.
You can't?
Hey.
Yeah. That's a heavy one.
Oh yeah, she's a hunk.
Where's it catching? It's binding up the train. Like it's still hooked up to your torque converter.
No, it's all off the torque converter. What the heck are we catching at then?
I have no clue. That might have part of it.
We'll fill it. I don't know where we're catching. We're catching somewhere down. I think it's down below though.
There, try.
What?
Try checking this works. I knocked the exhaust down. No, not that part. I was talking about her here.
Well, yeah, but you can't really go up any higher because of the angles.
So she gave right there.
Yeah. What? It's freaking 400 you just way.
Oh, there's our problem.
What?
Our manifolds are hooking underneath the firewall.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Nope.
Can you get a pry bar and get it out from underneath, or?
Oh yeah. It's just barely fucking.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, shit. We didn't ever figure that one out.
We just know that's gonna mean it's gonna be a pain to get it by hand.
Well, we're just gonna have to, our angle of approach is gonna have to be a bit different. You free?
A little bit.
What a freaking hunk of a motor. God, what a freaking hunk.
We free on that side for the.
Yeah, I mean, we should be clean and clear, but something's still.
I'm still working a little bit on this.
Yeah, I see that.
Really can't get in at a good angle to pump it out. Here, let me try some.
Oh, it's just hooked underneath it. Damn it.
No, just don't drop it or anything yet.
Oh. Phil,
Yeah.
can we get like a bar underneath here and maybe pry the front of the motor up?
You want me to find out?
How did they get these things in here?
Set them all in the frame, then put the body on top.
I know that's like that.
stupid. See, you gotta find a better way to lodge that in there. See anything, but it's gotta. Yeah, you'd think I could pull more. You know, I wonder if I hook this chain up here instead of here.
Oh, that way you're pulling the front up first?
Well, yeah, if I were pulling the front up a little more, maybe we can loosen up that chain and change our hook a bit. Okay, YouTube. You can obviously see we got the motor pulled, parts all over the place. I ran out of battery as we were pulling the motor, so and then things just moved kind of fast from there. This is Sunday. Ain't gonna have it done this weekend like I was hoping, but you know, I guess these things happen. But this is the block that came out of the Bronco. Now the block's good. It was it has a bad rod, and I already went and stored all the rods and stuff, so that's moot point. And I think I threw the crank away already, but it wasted the crank, and it was on number would have been 1, 2, 3 and 7 cylinders. So but anyways, so we pulled that one that Phil got that was seized up. We pulled it up out of the shed. It's got some pit. Oh, I got a little piece of junk down in there. I honed on it a bit, but I started running out of stone, and I didn't have any extras. So but it looks like it's going to come out of it all right. At any rate, I'm not going to finish it tonight. I got to go to work tomorrow. Tried to get a day off, and it didn't happen. We got big projects coming up this week at the factory. So anyways, this will be kind of during the week, and I might have to take a day off here if this week slows down if we get the projects done. And I'll get this thing all put together and in the Bronco. The other thing we found out is that this block here is been overboard. How much, I do not know. But it has been overboard. Not a big deal though, because we got this block, which is standard bore. This is a virgin untouched block, and actually it's got very little ring ridge in it. Looks like a low mile example. So, but at any rate, I figured I'd just kind of update you on that. Apologize for not getting a video up of the disassembly, but it was kind of unorthodox since the pistons were seized in there. We kind of had to take some measures that I usually wouldn't use to get stuff apart, but and it was kind of a mess. But at any rate, that's what we got, and be watching for future videos, and I will get a full detailed video of assembly on this motor for you guys, so that you guys can all see how I put together my motors. I'm really pretty particular about it, so as you can see, the shop has been cleaned and such, and but anyways, so we'll get that going on here in another video. So until then, we'll see you guys later.